Every year rain happens and the story on the street of National Capital is same. Yes, I'm talking about waterlogging. In fact, I am standing at this Badarpur area. This is Pul Prahladpur, and here you can see behind me, this is the waterlogging. The situation of this road is very bad because this is the connecting road of Delhi and Faridabad. But here you can see both the side of the road is completely submerged in the water. And in fact, what we are getting to know from the people that this water started, in fact, collecting over here since morning. And around 6 a.m. the rain started, and till 8 a.m. the rain happened. But the water started collecting from various places, and it stagnated over here. Since 8 a.m. right now it's around 6:30 p.m. the water is still there. Water pumps are working. On the other side there are 3 water pumps are there. They are trying to evacuate the water. There is a drain also on both the sides, and what the people telling us that drains are also opened. The water is coming out from the drains as well. So definitely it is completely shows that lack of preparation by the civic agencies, and this is the reason this kind of water logging happens. I would like to show you the other side of this road. Here you can see there are people who are standing, and why they are standing? Because the water is blocked and the road is completely shut. This is the connecting road of Delhi and Faridabad, South Delhi area. In fact, this truck which you are seeing, this truck was also stuck in this water. It was completely submerged. There is the sack of rice are kept there. What the truck driver is telling us, that for 2 to 3 hours nobody came for help. In fact, he had to leave his vehicle, but when it got stuck, now he managed to, and with the help of the crane, they have managed to pull this truck out. But the rice which is kept over there, the truck which is carrying the rice, it's all got damaged. So definitely this kind of losses also happened. There you can see, if you see that in that water, there is a bus, that is the cluster bus, that is also stuck, and it is still stuck. That bus came around 8 a.m. and since then there were 2 or 3 people were also sitting, but they managed to come out. But now till now the water is still there, and the bus is still parked over there. And there you can see there are some people, because everybody want to go back to their home. Many people live in Badarpur area, because if you go from this side, the other side is Badarpur, where right now standing is Pul Prahladpur, and on the right hand side you go towards Faridabad. So that is why the people, those who are living around over here, they have to go. And you can see there are bikers, there are cyclists. They all are just trying to go, just trying to pass, because they don't have any option. Because if they take to different route, then it will be long stretch. So that is why they are going from this side. So this kind of situation always happens, but civic agencies poor preparedness always shown during the time of the rains in the national capital.